How many of you have come across this scenario? It's crunch time and you're up against a deadline to produce shop drawings for approval. With a fast approaching deadline, you hurry through your drawings, cutting corners, and now your drawings are lacking detail and information. And then what happens? Your drawings come back, information that was missing from the beginning is still missing, causing confusion, miscommunication, and possibly mistakes that are going to come off the bottom line. With Microvellum, you can automate much of your drafting processes and tailor them to your needs, your standards, to stand out above your competition. By combining AutoCAD's drawing technology and Microvellum's product libraries, you can give your clients visually comprehensive drawings. And Microvellum's built-in drawing instructions, with the ability to fully customize or add your own, allow you to create detailed, professional, and informative drawings with ease. And even better than that, the products are production ready. No need to duplicate your work or engineer products on the back end. And along with creating detailed shop drawings, you can quickly create photorealistic images using Microvellum's material library and AutoCAD's rendering tools. Need to illustrate a complex product or design? Microvellum's solid model tools give you the power to create custom products that accurately show design and manufacturing intent. And then, using these tools, you can quickly convert those designs into production-ready products. Microvellum can handle all your drafting and design needs, so don't get caught in a tough situation cutting corners. Let Microvellum do the hard work for you.